friends, Saraswati Education and Medical Trust presents video lecture 11, Standard 10, English Medium, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. In last some lectures, we have discussed method of solution of a pair of linear equations. We know that there are three types of method of solution of pair of linear equations. Method 1, method of substitution. Method 2, method of elimination. Method 3, method of cross multiplication. We also know that the general form of pair of linear equation, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, b1, a2, b2 are coefficients of x and y and c1 and c2 are constants. Now we also know that which type of solution of pair of linear equations we get. So these are, if we get a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, then we can say that there is no solution of pair of linear equation. Same way, if we get a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, then we can say that there are infinitely many solutions of pair of linear equation. And last, if we get a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then we get unique solution of pair of linear equations. Today, in this lecture, we have discussed short questions like 1 marks and 2 marks, which can be asked in examination. So let us start with example number 1. Example number 1 is, if x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 is a solution of equation 5x minus 3y equal to k, then find the value of k. So let us see the solution. Here we have given that x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 is a solution of equation. That means if we put the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, then it satisfies the equation 5x minus 3y equal to k. So हमको क्या करना है कि x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 जो सॉल्यूशन है वो हमको जो इक्वेशन दिया गया है इसमें रखना है. So let us substitute the x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 in a given equation. So substitute x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 in 5x minus 3y equal to k. So put x equal to 2, therefore we can write 5 into 2 minus 3 into 3 equal to k. Therefore 5 2s are 10 minus 9 equal to k. Therefore 1 equal to k. Therefore k equal to 1. So we get k equal to 1. So the value of k is equal to 1. इस तरह आप शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ सकता है. Now let us see the another question. Example number 2. Example 2 is, if x minus ky equal to 2 and 3x plus 2y equal to minus 5 has unique solution, then find the value of k. See friends, here we have given two equations, that is x minus ky equal to 2 and 3x plus 2y equal to minus 5. In the last example, we find the constant. Now in these examples, we have to find coefficient of y, that is you have to find b1. So first of all, see the question. Here we have two equations with a higher degree 1. So they are linear equations. So first write two equations, that is x minus ky equal to 2 and 3x plus 2y equal to minus 5. Here we have two equations. Now here already given that they have a unique solution. What is the meaning of unique solution? याद कीजिए, हमको यूनिक सॉल्यूशन कब मिलता है? जब हमको a1 अपन a2 इज नॉट इक्वल टू b1 अपन b2 मिलता है, तभी हमारा सॉल्यूशन कैसा होता है? यूनिक सॉल्यूशन. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल a1 a2 b1 and b2 and then substitute the value of a1 a2 and b1 b2 in the condition of unique solution. So first of all we have to find a1. So what is A1? A1 equal to 1, B1 equal to minus K, A2 equal to 3 and B2 equal to 2. So now we have already given that equation has, pair of equation has unique solution. That means that A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. यही होना है, क्योंकि पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन है यूनिक सॉल्यूशन ऑलरेडी हमको क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ A1 A2 एंड B1 B2. सो A1 की वैल्यू हमारी थी, देयरफॉर A1 की जो वैल्यू थी वो 1 थी, A2 की थी 3, B1 की थी -k एंड B2 की थी 2. सो ऐसा हमको मिला. सो वी कैन राइट 2 इस तरफ मैं ले जाता हूं. सो 2/3 इक्वल टू -k. सो वी कैन राइट इज नॉट इक्वल टू, सॉरी, k इज नॉट इक्वल टू -2/3. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ दोस्तों? हमने ये कंडीशंस में A1 A2 B1 B2 की वैल्यू रखी और हमको ये मिला कि k इज नॉट इक्वल टू 2/3. दैट मीन्स इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आप k की वैल्यू -2/3 के सिवा कोई भी रियल वैल्यू ले सकते हो. दैट मीन्स द आंसर में अगर हमको लिखना होगा तो क्या लिखेंगे? ऑल द रियल वैल्यूज ऑफ k एक्सेप्ट -2/3. दैट मीन्स we have take all the real values except -2/3. -2/3 के अलावा आप कोई भी वैल्यू ले सकते हो, k की आ सकती है. Now we are going to the next example. Our third example is if 52x plus 48y equal to 252 and 48x plus 52y equal to 248, then find x plus y and x minus y. अगर फ्रेंड्स ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस में आता है तो आपको कोई भी एक ही फाइंड करने को पूछ सकते. दैट मीन्स x प्लस वाई और x माइनस वाई. यहाँ पे हम दोनों सीखेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जब भी आपको ऐसा कोई एग्जांपल दिखे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फाइंड A1 A2 एंड B1 B2. सी मैंने ऑलरेडी फाइंड कर दिए है. A1 इक्वल टू 52, A2 इक्वल टू 48, B1 इक्वल टू 48 एंड B2 इक्वल टू 52. नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, हियर वी गेट A1 इक्वल टू B2 एंड A2 इक्वल टू B1. अब आपको जब भी कोई ऐसी कंडीशंस मिले कि आपके पास A1 इक्वल टू B2 हो और A2 इक्वल टू B1 हो, तब आप, अगर आपको x प्लस वाई फाइंड करने के लिए बोला है, तब आप दोनों इक्वेशंस का एडिशन करेंगे. अगर आपको x माइनस वाई फाइंड करने को बोला है तो आप दोनों इक्वेशन का सब्सट्रैक्शन करेंगे. फिर से, इफ यू हैव द रिलेशन A1 इक्वल टू B2 एंड A2 इक्वल टू B1, देन if you have to find x plus y, then adding both the equation, and if you have to find x minus y, then subtracting both the equations. Here first we have to find x plus y, then we have given that equation number 1 and equation number 2. So adding equation 1 and 2. So let us add equation 1 and 2. So we can write 52x plus 48x plus 48y plus 52y इक्वल टू, हमको दिया गया है 252 plus 248. So we get, therefore we get 100x plus 100y equal to, that means 500. So divide the equation by 100. So we get x plus y equal to, ये हमको x plus y मिल गया. Now you have to find x minus y. That means you have to subtract equation 2 from 1. So for finding x minus y, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, that is we have to write 52x minus 48x minus 48y minus 52y equal to 252 minus 248. That means we have to get 4x minus 4y equal to 4. Therefore we get x minus y equal to 4. So we get x minus y equal to 4 here. So that is the way of find x plus y and x minus y. Now we are going for the another example. Our next example is find the whether given pair of linear equation is consistent or inconsistent. Equation 1 is x plus 3y equal to 5 and equation 1 is 2x plus 6y equal to 8. So friends, how to decide our pair of linear equation is consistent or inconsistent? That means if you have to solve the given pair of linear equation and you have a true statement means 5 equal to 5, 4 equal to 4, then the pair of linear equation is consistent. Or you have get false statement, that means 0 equal to 5, minus 1 equal to 2, 3 equal to 4, then the given pair of equation is inconsistent. So first of all, you have to solve the pair of linear equation by using any of three methods: method of substitution, method of cross multiplication, or method of elimination. We have to solve this given pair of linear equation by substitution method. Now the first step of substitution method is make a generator of any variable x or y. Here from equation 1 I can write x equal to 5 minus 3y from equation 1. Now put x equal to 5 minus 3y in equation 2. So we get 2 into 5 minus 3y plus 6y equal to 8. Therefore 10 minus 6y plus 6y equal to 8. Minus 6y plus 6y, that will be cancelled out. That means 10 equal to 8, which is not possible. Therefore we get false statement. That means the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. That is the way how to find the pair of linear equation is consistent or inconsistent. Now let us going for another example. Our next question is the pair of linear equation 5x minus 15y equal to 8 and 3x minus 9y equal to 24 by 5 has which type of solution? That means friends, you have to find which type of solutions. Means there are three types of solution you get: no solutions, infinitely many solution, and unique solution. Which type of solution you will get? So first of all, you have to convert the pair of linear equation in the general form, standard form of pair of linear equation, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2. So the first step is convert the pair of linear equation in the standard form. Let us convert in the standard form. So we get 5x minus 15y minus 8 equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 24 upon 5 equal to 0. Here we have to find type of solution. That's why you need to find a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. So let us find a1. So a1 equal to 5, b1 equal to minus 15 and c1 equal to minus 8. Same way a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to minus 9 and C2 equal to minus 24 by 5. So first of all you have to find the ratio of A1 A2, that is A1 upon A2 equal to 5 by 3. Same way B1 upon B2 equal to minus 15 by minus 9, that is minus minus will be cancel out, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 9, that is B1 upon B2. And C1 upon C2 equal to minus 8 divided by minus 24 by 5, minus minus will be cancel out, we can write 8 into 5 by 24, so we can write 5 by 3. See, we get A1 upon A2 equal to 5 by 3, B1 upon B2 equal to 5 by 3, and C1 upon C2 equal to 5 by 3. Therefore we get A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. Now remember the condition. If we get A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2, then we have infinitely many solutions. So we can write the pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. Here is the answer. Hope you can understand all the short questions of this lecture. Here हम जो एक मेथड बाकी है ग्राफ रिलेटेड एग्जांपल्स, ग्राफिकल मेथड, वो हम क्लास में करने वाले हैं. स्टोरी सम्स भी बाकी है, वो भी हम जब मिलेंगे क्लास में तो हम फेस टू फेस सॉल्व करेंगे. कैसे करेंगे वो हम क्लास में ही डिस्कशन करेंगे. यहाँ पे ये लेक्चर खत्म होता है. थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट.